On today's video, we're going to look at seasonal tendencies for RBOB gasoline futures. Before we get started, please pay attention to the risk disclaimer at the bottom. If you're contemplating trading futures, please pay attention. There is risk involved. It's not suitable for everyone. Only risk capital should be utilized. Thank you very much. Okay, so we start with going to our website, ccstrade.com. We are Capital Commodity Services. Been servicing futures traders worldwide since 1983. We've got a lot to offer, but for today's purposes, we're going to concentrate on futures seasonal charts. So you go to quotes and charts, seasonal charts, and as you can see, we've got seasonal charts for all the major commodities that you can click on and review. For today's video, we're going to look at the gasoline market, and when you click on the link, what's prompted are some charts with lines. The black line is the current price going into early March of 2017. The red line is the 5-year seasonal, the green line is the 10-year seasonal, and the blue line is the 15-year seasonal. What is a seasonal? A seasonal means that you take an average of the prices going back 5 years, for example, and you plot that average. So in this example, we'd go back to 2012, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Plot each day's average price over that 5-year period, and it projects how, over the last 5 years, the gasoline futures traded. Basically sideways the last 5 years, going from March to September. Do a similar calculation going back 10 years for the 10-year and 15 years using the 15-year seasonal. Now, it's not a perfect study. It will give you insight, but as you can see here, this current price is going down and all the seasonals are pointing higher. So how do I use this? I like to line up the seasonals with the current price because they sometimes shift. So for me, this looks better if this low was over here and this low over there. It lines up really nice that way. So if you shift that over there, then it really follows the prices much better. This low would be here, this low would be here. We rallied into this time frame here, go sideways. Now, this sideways will have lasted longer, okay? So what it's saying here is we're overdue. It might take into early April for this thing to bottom out, but when it does, it looks like based on the 10 and 15-year seasonal at least, that we should get a rally into at least July. But if you throw out the 10 and 15-year, you're going to get a choppy back and forth period if it follows the 5-year scenario. So how do I use seasonals? I never trade a seasonal based on just the seasonal pattern. I don't care how well it lines up. You must control risk. You must wait for some kind of reversal. And I utilize technical analysis with reversal patterns, and you have to define the risk. So I've provided a list of 10 top trading rules that I compiled over my 35-year trading career that are a must-see, whether you're a new trader or if you've been trading for 20 years. These rules will help your trading. So start trading smarter, get these rules, I'm going to share them with you free of charge. Just click the Show More button below and go to our website, provide your email address, and we'll send them to you free of charge. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check us out. We've got a lot to offer. We've got historical charts of every commodity, every month, every year, going back to 1959. We've got the seasonal charts. We've got spread charts where you could spread any commodity against another. Gold, silver, corn, beans, July beans, November beans, hogs, cattle, anything. And then live streaming quotes and charts, from live 1-minute charts to 5-hour charts with full technical analysis. And our research, we've got lots of research, trade recommendations and signal scanner trades. It's all here, ccstrade.com. Check it out. I hope you found the video beneficial.